Alright, so we're going to solve each equation by factoring. To start, factors of 9 that add up to be negative 6 are x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3, it's a double root, move this over, get 5x squared plus 34x plus 24 equals 0. 5 times 24 equals 120. Factors of 120 that add up to be 34 are going to be 30 and 4. Since 24 is positive and 34 is positive, these are my two factors. Depending on how you want to do it, if you do the box method, 5x squared, 30x, 4x, 24, common factor between these two, 5x, 5x times 6 gets me 30x, x times 4 gets me 4x, 4 times 6 is 24, so I have 5x plus 4 equals 0, and x plus 6 equals 0. My answers are going to be 4/5 negative by setting this equal to 0 and solving, and negative 6. For this one, I'm going to move my 12x over here, so I'm going to have 0 equals 12x squared minus 5x minus 2. Factors of negative 24 that add up to be a negative 5 are going to be negative 8 and 3. Using the other method, 12x minus 8, 12x plus 3. I can divide a 4, divide a 3. I get 3x minus 2, and I get 4x plus 1 equals 0. Answer is going to be 2/3 and negative 1/4, setting each part equal to 0. And you guys weren't able to see like any of that, so I moved that work over now. These ones here, you do it however you want. X squared equals negative 81, square root, x equals plus or minus the square root of negative 81. 81 is a perfect square, so x equals plus or minus 9i. Move 64 over, 4x squared equals negative 64, divide by 4, divide by 4, x squared equals negative 16, square root, 16 is a perfect square, so x equals plus or minus 4i. Move the 6 over, negative 2x squared equals 6, divide by negative 2, x squared equals negative 3, take square root of both sides. Since 3 is not a perfect square, the only thing I pull out is the I. X equals plus or minus I square root of 3. Alright, rewriting these roots. When I plug them into the equation, we're going from this to this. And that's your equation. When you have fractions, denominator goes in front, put your subtraction on the previous, or on the numerator, and multiply it out. So 12x squared minus 15x minus 4x plus 5 equals 0. 12x squared minus 19x plus 5 equals 0. That's where I'm going to stop with this video.